everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have another exciting video for you today, and that's because I'm showing you my 3 favorite pancake recipes. I love pancakes, especially on the weekends, and these ones are my favorite. They're so delicious, they're easy to make, and they freeze really well too. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, because I'm always posting recipes over there, talking with you guys, and sharing lots of health tips, ingredients, all that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing we're making are some sweet potato pancakes. They're really easy. So I'm starting off with some mashed sweet potato. You can either microwave or just bake it in the oven until it's soft. I love sweet potato because it's loaded with vitamin C, which is a great antioxidant, and copper, which boosts the immune system. Then I'm adding in 1 egg. You can probably do a flax egg here, though I haven't tried, along with some baking powder, which is just gonna help them rise and be more fluffy of a pancake. So this is key here. And then I'm adding in some cinnamon for just a little bit of spice and flavor. And then I'm going to stir that up with my Star Wars spatula until you get a nice batter. If you want, you can also put this in the blender really quick to get it blended easy, or you can do it by hand. Then I set a pan to medium heat and I sprayed it with a little bit of avocado oil so it doesn't stick. And I'm using a 1/3 cup measurement to scoop out a little bit and then flip it over once it's set. I'm drizzling it on the top with a little bit of nut butter. I love almond butter on pancakes. It's so delicious, especially with the cinnamon. It tastes so yummy, and it adds a great healthy fat as well, which is going to help keep you full, and a little bit of slivered almonds on top, and that's it. They're so easy, guys, and the flavor on these is insane. With the cinnamon, the sweet potato being a little sweet, with the nut butter, they're so delicious. They're not only good for fall, they're good for all the time. That's why I love them. And they're really easy to make too. And you can totally make this nut-free by just not putting nuts on the top. That's what I like too, is that it's a good nut-free recipe that's also paleo, because a lot of paleo ones will use almond flour, so these are delish. I really like them. Next up, we're making some chocolate chip pancakes, which everyone loves. So I'm using some banana here as our base. I like banana because it's high in tryptophan, and tryptophan is a stress reliever and it actually boosts your mood. It's also high in B6 as well, so it's going to help regulate your blood sugar. Mashing that up, and then I'm adding in an egg. Again, if you're vegan, you can probably use a flax egg here. You just really want to make sure that you wait for the flax egg to gel for a good 15 minutes. Then I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. I love coconut flour because it's high in protein, high in fiber. If you're not using coconut flour, you're going to want to multiply this by 3. So you're going to want to use 9 tablespoons. You're going to need some baking powder, again, just to make them fluffy, help them rise a little bit, and then stir that batter together. And then I'm putting in a handful of some paleo chocolate chips, and then when they're done, I'm drizzling it with a little bit of maple syrup. And guys, look at that drizzle. Doesn't it look heavenly? Once they're done, you're gonna have this delicious stack of pancakes. And if you can see, the chocolate chips kind of melt a bit on the top. It's so delicious. Let's go ahead and have a taste. They're fluffy. They have a little bit of chocolate chips, not too sweet. I did drizzle a little bit of maple syrup on the top, but it's not too much. I think they're delicious, and I like to freeze them as well. You can freeze them in 1 or 2 per baggie, and then just pop them in the toaster whenever you like them, and you'll have pancakes all the time. And lastly, we're making some blueberry pancakes. So I'm starting off with 1 cup of oats. I like oats because they're a soluble fiber, so they're going to help keep you full, and they also decrease your loser cholesterol, or your LDL. You guys have probably heard me call that before. It's also great controlling your blood sugar. We're going to use a little bit of almond milk as well as some banana inside to make a nice sweetness to it and help the base of it as well. And you guys know how much I love bananas. Also high in potassium. A little bit of apple cider vinegar, which again helps with the fluffiness in these, and some maple syrup just for a little bit of sweetness, and that way you don't need it on top of the banana and maple syrup inside. Some vanilla for some antioxidants, and then some blueberries. I put about half a cup here, and I'm just going to fold them into the batter. You can also put them in once they're in the pan, and once they're done, they will look like this. You cook them as normal pancakes and they will be ready to go. And last but certainly not least, we have our blueberry pancakes. I feel like blueberry pancakes are my favorite style of pancake. If I were to choose a topping, since I was little, I just really love blueberries as opposed to chocolate. I love the fruit inside these, especially if you use fresh blueberries, and they'll kind of burst a bit with so much flavor. They're delicious. They're a bit more denser than the other 2 of the pancakes, so if you want a more heartier and a more dense pancake, I would choose these ones. And the oats are great because they're lowering the glycemic index, and they have a bit of fiber too, so it's going to stabilize your blood sugar. Good all around. So I'm gonna go eat some more pancakes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you put on or in your pancakes down in the description below so that I can put that in my pancakes next time. You guys have some great ideas, so I always love hearing them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave any requests you have for what I should make next, like 3 of something. Like I want to do more of these videos where I'm making like 3 best pancakes, 3 best whatever. So let me know down below what you'd like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.